అద్భుతమైన నృత్య ప్రదర్శన. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Cycle or a motor vehicle to collect the debris without the human beings. In general, in villages, the auto will come, one auto driver will be there, one collection boy will be there, and 2-3 other persons will be there to collect the garbage from the houses and to keep it in the vehicle. But the student who came from Tamil Nadu, he prepared a vehicle in such a manner, and he prepared in 2 compartments where the house owner himself has to put the material in 2 of the compartments. By reducing the 5 individuals' work, only 1 man can collect the complete debris from the village. So this is how the people are thinking. With the help of AI, some other students have started the driverless vehicles also. Such a type of innovative ideas were guided by their teachers, and more particularly the innovations that were prepared by the students of 9th and 10th. I really appreciate them. As a science teacher, I would like to congratulate all of them, and I would like to quote one sentence from Darwinism. What Darwin says is, struggle for existence and survival of the fittest. If you do the struggle for your existence, then you will become the bright students of the society, and you will bring the name and fame to the country, that is Vikasit Bharat 2047, whatever the goal is fixed by our Honorable Prime Minister for the year of 2047. I hope that you all will become the future citizens and future scientists of this country. In developing the nation, your innovative ideas will definitely help, because other students, 2 students have developed another plant, water treatment plant, sewage water treatment plant. The idea I'll appreciate, because almost all the lakes that are in and around the urban areas, they were being polluted by the sewerage water. A student has prepared a sewerage instrument where from the sewerage water what is the TDS, and at the end what is the TDS, and how to decrease the TDS from 37,000 to 700. They prepared such type of things. These are the real innovations. These are the things that which are required for this country. I really appreciate the teachers also, because under their dynamic leadership and guidance only, the students were in successful situation to prepare such type of future generation requirements with the help of AI also. As the time is running out and you have to travel for
CITM Educational Officer Biswal Garu kuda indlo పాల్గొనవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ కదా ఇండివిజువల్ లో వాళ్ళకి వచ్చిందా గుడికి వచ్చిందా
తర్వాత పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అందరి లిస్ట్ కూడా